Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've not done so, I would request you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notified whenever a new video is coming up on my channel. If you like the videos that I bring to you, can go and hit the like button. You can comment on those videos as well if you feel that you wish to put a comment on those videos. And if you want to share my channel or the videos that I bring to you, please feel free to do so. Now, starting this video, I'm going to take you to the next level of your communication journey. So please, when you're watching this video, try to be in a place which is free of distractions. You may want to take a pen and a paper and make some notes if you want to. From right now, I may not want to be on the video per se, because I want you to focus totally on the topic that I'm going to be talking to you about. And mind you, this is a very important topic. By far, in the entire communication journey that you will have or you have had until now, this is the most important characteristic or trait that you should have, which will differentiate you from other communicators or other audiences that you may be competing with. So I'm going to be shutting off the video right now, and I'm going to go into the topic that I want to talk about. So if you're not able to see me, please don't feel awkward that this is me only. This is Sahil who's speaking on this video. But the idea behind switching off my video is to enable you to focus on the topic rather than being distracted looking at me. All the best. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about a very important characteristic of communication, and that is storytelling. Storytelling by far is one of the most important communication trait that you all must have without fail. This will enable you to become an even better communicator in your journey forward. So let's talk about storytelling. But before I talk about storytelling, let's look at what Steve Jobs had to say and what was his view on storytelling. Steve Jobs says, and I quote, "The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation that is to come." This is what Steve Jobs' view is on storytelling. Simply put, storytelling is nothing but the activity of telling or writing stories. Yep. Now, let's look at what is the relationship between you and storytelling. We are all human beings, right? So as social beings, we narrate stories in our personal lives to our kids and other children primarily, right? When you are acting as a business professional, you narrate compelling stories to your colleagues, your bosses, your customers or stakeholders, etc., almost every day to give them more than just plain vanilla information, right? So that's where you interact with storytelling from a business professional standpoint. Now let's assume you are a marketer. When you are a marketer, you narrate stories about your products and brands to build deeper connections with your target audiences. That's where storytelling and you interact when you are acting the role of a marketer. Now, we've known about what is Steve Jobs' view on storytelling. We've known about how we as human beings, as business professionals, and as marketers interact with this idea or this characteristic of storytelling. Definitely, there are certain benefits to storytelling. Let's look at those now. Storytelling ignites and induces curiosity amongst the target audiences that you are interacting with. Storytelling enables you to strike an impact on the minds of the message listeners or receivers, right? And it also acts as a stimulus for your target audiences. Some other benefits of storytelling include that storytelling provides hope where none existed previously and also brings in the fun element to boring facts and figures. So that's where storytelling provides certain benefits. As always, I always try to provide value to you that how do you do it? How do you become the best practitioner in whatever communication trait that I'm going to be talking about? First up, if you don't know about it, watch tech talks, observe those speakers, how they narrate their stories. Second, study what you're passionate about and get emotionally involved empathetically, right? When I talk about empathy, try to view things or try to view the topics that you're going to be talking about from the perspective of your target audiences, right? The best way to become a great storyteller is storytell daily. The more you practice, the better you become. Additionally, always try to speak from the heart and not from the mind or the mouth only. Try to be authentic. Try to be your authentic self. Put yourself on the pedestal in an authentic manner. Be yourself, where what you are originally, right? You may use a suite of content channels to hone your storytelling skills, whether it be books, movies, plays, podcasts, etc., which will help you hone your storytelling skills. Try and understand today, we live in a world full of information and knowledge. We just need to go ahead and touch the right touch points so that we can go ahead and improve ourselves. Now let's look at what's my view, right? So you may have observed when I talk about the communication traits, I have outlined 16 traits which are very important to become confident communicators, right? But storytelling by far will enable you grow leaps and bounds both in your personal life and your professional pursuits. Please go ahead and practice storytelling as much as possible. Pick up a topic, start talking about it. Read a newspaper, read a piece of information, read a piece of news, and try to storytell about it. That way, you will hone your storytelling skills more and more. With this, I come to the end of this video, but believe me, this is one of the most important communication traits that you should have in order to become a confident, all-round communicator, right? Wish you all the best in your communication journey. Until I come up with the next video, keep on practicing your communication skills, and I will see you soon in the next video.